Imagine 3,000 cows, all contributing to a single NFL season. That's the number of bovines required to supply a year's worth of football leather. Switching gears to our feathered friends, did you know some male songbirds are known to belt out their tunes over 2,000 times daily? Now let's dive into the world of bats, where out of 1,200 species, only two, the vampire and burrowing bat, can walk on the ground. Their leg bones are simply too thin. From the sky to the ground, let's talk spiders. A tarantula can survive without food for over 2 years. Finally, here's a quirky one. Even a small amount of alcohol can send a scorpion into a frenzy, causing it to sting itself to death. There you have it, 5 fascinating animal facts to ponder on. Until next time.